In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your name pronunciation on LinkedIn. This simple update helps your connections say your name correctly, makes introductions smoother, and adds a professional touch to your profile. You'll do this on the LinkedIn mobile app because recording name pronunciation is available on mobile, not on desktop. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. From the main screen, tap your profile image at the top. This takes you to a quick menu. Tap your profile image once more to open your full profile view so you can make edits. On your profile page, tap the edit icon near your name and headline. This is where you can change profile details. Scroll down until you see the name pronunciation section. When you find it, tap. Add name pronunciation to begin. Before recording, make sure your microphone is enabled on your device so LinkedIn can capture your voice. If your phone asks for permission, allow microphone access. For the best result, move to a quiet space, hold the phone a few inches from your mouth, and speak clearly at a natural pace. LinkedIn gives you a short window to record, so focus on saying your name exactly the way you'd like others to hear it. Press and hold the blue button to record. While you hold the button, say your name as you want it pronounced in meetings, interviews, or introductions. Keep your voice steady, avoid covering the microphone with your hand, and try to minimize background noise like fans or traffic. If your name includes specific sounds, emphasize them naturally without rushing. When you're done, tap preview to listen to the clip. This is your chance to check clarity, volume, and pacing. Ask yourself if someone hearing it for the first time would know exactly how to say your name afterward. If it sounds muffled or too fast, you can record again until it feels right. Small adjustments, like slowing down slightly or moving the phone a bit closer, can make a big difference. Once you're happy with the preview, tap Apply to save it to your profile. From now on, a small speaker icon will appear next to your name in the app, letting people tap and hear how to pronounce it correctly. You can come back later and update this recording whenever you need to, especially if you want to refine it after hearing feedback. That's it. Quick, simple, and professional. Thanks for watching and have a great day.